At Wilcom, we're making it easier than ever to manage your team's embroidery software. Introducing the new Account Move feature, a simple way to transfer user accounts into your organization. With Account Move, organization owners can invite existing Wilcom users to join their team. Account Move gives you simplified team management, control licenses and assets from a single dashboard, streamlined billing, manage subscription billing from one account, centralized assets, access all transferred estimates, thread collections, and manage the pricing table in one place. As designated owner, you have the authority to invite other users to join your organization. If the invited user already has a Wilcom account, they must be sole users. Go to the Users page from the Wilcom account menu. Click Add User at the top of the page. You are prompted to enter the user's details, including their email. Click Add, you'll be prompted to send the invitation. Click Send Invitation. The user will receive an email to review and accept the move. As an invitee, you will receive an email invitation to join the organization. You need to select the Review Invitation button. You will be prompted to log into your account if not already signed in. Click Sign In. View the summary of licenses/assets to be transferred and make sure you are happy with the terms. Your Wilcom licenses will be transferred to the new organization. Any linked assets will also be transferred. Your account will switch to member status. The organization will take over responsibility for future license payments. Scroll down and key in the word Accept. Click Accept Invitation. Click Continue to forward your acceptance to the owner. Once your acceptance has been confirmed, your account becomes a member of the new organization. As organization owner, you'll receive an email with a link to Review Move. Click Review Move. Check the user's licenses. These remain active until renewal when they must be replaced. Assets, estimates, thread collections. Scroll down. Key in Confirm, tick the terms and conditions, and click Confirm Move. Click Continue. The invited user will now appear as a member of your organization with their licenses and assets transferred. As an invitee, the next time you log in, you will be a member of the new organization. As such, you will no longer be responsible for billing or thread collections and pricing tables. Your dashboard will be updated to reflect this.